Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to promote Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so the first thing that we should do here in order for us to get the Amazon affiliate link is we have to sign up for the influencers and associates site Stripe account here on Amazon. So to do that, you just have to open a new tab and then search for Amazon. Okay, so Amazon Associates or Affiliate Program. Okay, so you'd be able to see this first website. So just simply click on this one. That's right. And then after that, right here, you'd be able to see here your account. So if you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign up. So just make sure to follow the step-by-step guide so you can create your Amazon Associate site Stripe account. So once you do that, make sure to use the same account here on your Amazon.com. Okay, so that you'd be able to see this influencers and associates site Stripe and this get linked option. Okay, so once you've done that, you're now ready to find products and then get their linked. Then we are going to promote those affiliate links to Pinterest. Okay, so right here, open a new tab and then make sure to log into your Pinterest account. So after that, let's go back here now on Amazon and let's find products that we can use. Okay, so for example, right here we have today's deals, or we also have here the buy again section. So let's just go to the today's deals section. Okay, so right here, you'll be able to see here the different products that has a discount. So for example, this one. So as of the moment, it has 14% off, and for this one, we have 30% off. So you just have to find the product that we think we can promote on our Pinterest account. Okay, so for example, this one. So just simply clicked on it. Okay, after that, just click on the get linked option at the top. That's right. So here we have the short link and the full link of this product. So we just have to copy the link. Okay, and then after that, we have to select here now the image or the images that we are going to use to upload in our Pinterest account. Okay, so for example, this one. So you just have to simply click on it and then save it in your files. Okay, click on save after that. That's right, and then you just have to close it. Okay, now go back to Pinterest and then right here just click on this add option or the create option. So here we just have to click on the pin option, post your photos or videos, and add links, stickers, effects, and more. So click on the pin option and then right here click on the choose a file or drag and drop it right here. Okay, so just going to select this photo. That's right. And then for the title, we just have to go back to Amazon. Then make sure to copy the title of this product. That's right. So click on copy, go back to Pinterest, and then you just have to paste it right here. Okay, so we just have to shorten the name of the product. Okay, so here I'm just going to delete this words. Okay, so after that, for the description, you just have to go back to Pinterest, to Amazon once again, then go here. So you have here now the description. So you just have to copy this section. That's right, so copy, go back to Pinterest, and then you just have to add here now your detailed description for this product. So if the description is too long, so we can remove some. Okay, and then after that, we are going to add here now the link. So simply click on this link section, go back to Amazon, and then let's get the link of this product once again. So we're just going to use the short link of this product. Okay, go back to Pinterest and then paste here the link of your product. Okay, now for the board, we're just going to choose a board or create a new one. Okay, so I'm just going to skip that part for now. So here on the description, make sure to add a disclaimer that this product is originally from Amazon so that your Pinterest account will not get banned. Okay, so for example, get this product on Amazon. On Amazon. Okay, so after that, you're now good to go, or you can also add here a detailed disclaimer that this product is originally from Amazon. Okay, so something like that. And then after that, right here, you can also add tags. Okay, so for example, fun. Okay, so summer. So you just have to search for related tags for this post. Okay, so after that one, you can click on this product section at the bottom if you have here your products, or can also use a link. Okay, so again, we can also add here our link. That's right, and then click on enter. Okay, so after that, you just have to close this section. Okay, so here, affiliate linked or sponsored products. So you're required to disclose if you may receive compensation for including this product. Okay, so make sure to turn this on and then click on enter. So you just have to close this section after that. And then for the more options, so here, make sure to allow people to comment. And then here, if you want to show similar products, so people can shop products similar to what's shown in this pin using visual search. So here, if you want to describe your pin's visual details, you can also add that right here, because this helps people using screen readers understand what your pin is about. Okay, so once you're good to go, you just have to simply click on the publish option at the top. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Now your pin has been published, so you just have to check it. So let's go back to our profile. Okay, so let's go to our pins. That's right. So here we just have to wait for a couple of seconds. So let me just refresh this section. Okay, so we have it right here. So when someone visit your profile and then they clicked on this product, so they have this visit site option. So this is our Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so here they just have to click on the visit site option. That's right. And then they will be directed to the Amazon. So when they purchase this product, you'll be able to get your compensation or your commission from Amazon. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.